Secret. So, Victoria's Secret. So, the price was 35. I think the original price is, it's $59.99. $59.95. Tapos, 25% off. So, $35.97. Tapos, I have 25 gift cards. So, ang nabayaran ko is only, only 60, how much yet? Charged. Mga $14 lang ata ang nabayaran ko dito. So, and then, sayang lang. May $25 off if you purchase 75 at Victoria's Secret Pink. At ito yung pajama na binili ko for Christmas. Extra small. Hindi ko po na, sa Christmas ko pa to suotin, guys. Victoria's Secret. So, hindi kaya ako kasi bumibili ng tapos ito yung ito yung clinic para sa alaga ko. May mascara siya, may moisturizer, may cream, tapos may siya. Tapos yung damit from H&M. Irigalo ko to sa alaga kong babae kasi siya, mahilig siya. Tapos ito din from Victoria's Secret. Nagka-lipstick. Nagka-lipstick man. But hopefully he like it. If not, I'll send it to the Philippines if he doesn't like it. And there's another one. There you go. So, Victoria's Secret. Cute. Cute you guys. Crop top to crop top. Crop top. It's Christmas. I bought a cardigan. Maganda siya. Lagi akong maganda. Kasi nga ako nga pumili, di ba? Ayan siya, guys. Pang winter na O, di ba? Pang ganun lang. So, pang aura-aura. Ayan. So, the original price is $44. I pay $19.99. It was sale in Macy's. And then it's $19.99 plus tax. So 21. I pay 21 plus from Macy's. This is my Macy's. And I have these products also. This is my here I still have Pang aura-aura. White puro. Ayan. The original price is $17.99. Then I'll just got $7.99. So mura lang siya, guys. From $7.99 US dollar to $7.99. So, and the size is small. Yeah, it's small. So I got this. And then I got this one, sweater. And I got sweater from, let me try on. From H&M. Yeah, from H&M. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's actually, yeah. Yeah. Ayan. Hindi makita. Huwag na lang. Pagod. Nakakapagod magsukat. Ayan. So that's for, I don't know. And then I have clothes here from Forever 21 also. I never fit yet. So yeah, clothes. And then there's another clothes. Actually, it's like a gown. Ang ganda. Ang cute nito. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Para akong teenager. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang bilhin. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, and then, this one is already lasting. Okay. And last one. This one. So the original price is $36.99. If Canada $45.99. Sa Canada $45.99. Ang just pay already $7.99. So I like this one. Keep me warm. So I'm gonna wear this in Christmas. Ayan. Ito lang binibiyaran ko. Ayan, gusto ko talaga sa H&M. H&M. I don't know. I put too much clothes in my alright, guys. So last but not the least, oh, 11 hour. And then last na lang to. Saka na lang to, guys. Hope you like my video.